Hi there, good day. I'm Zanre Bellingen. I'm 26 years old. I live in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. I actually grew up on a farm just outside Uitenhage. It's also a part of Port Elizabeth. I do have farming experience, crop farming, harvesting, driving tractor, driving truck and semis. Truck, I can drive Scania, MAN, Volvo with flatbed, rollback, or Caterrail. I do have the tractors I can drive is 8R, 340, 370 and the 410s, as well as a Massey Ferguson with the mounted boom sprayers. And on my mechanical, I can replace clutches, I can do services, maintain your vehicle, and much more. I can do also spray painting, rebuilding of trailers, and converting trailers into tankers. I can also do. I'm currently looking for a job in the USA, as I'm willing to work 14 to 16 hours. That's not a problem. I did 1 year in UK as mechanical and driving semis, also as well as Bahrain. We had a client in Bahrain. We also worked with the UK visitors visa. Good, thank you.